Hey guys, welcome to a new terrible video. Sorry for the screen, but it's kind of messed up. Today I'm gonna show you how to get Minecraft mods on PC. First, go to Minecraft Forge. Whatever version you want, just go to it. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing 1.10.2, 1.10.2. So here. Then find your mod, whatever mod you want. I don't know. Sometimes you might want to see what Forge it wants. And then download your mod. And sometimes they might come with this stuff, so always get the second one too. Cause that's what makes it work. And then download whatever one. Then open it. Then this will open up. Just press OK. That's it. Then it'll pop up with this. Everything keeps popping up because it's on my other monitor. Yep. Then you press OK. Now you have the Forge. Alright, so now what you want to do, I'll close Minecraft Forge. And don't close this yet. So you want to take that, drop. That, drop. Wait a minute, is that on my other screen again? If it is, then it is. Okay, so there's one. Oh, never mind, both of them aren't. Alright, so here we go. Now close this. Then what you want to do, on the screen where you can actually search. Hold up, wait. Let me see if I can switch the screens back around. Alright, now you're here. Basically, what you want to do is you want to go percent app data, data, whatever you say. Open it. And now we're back on the other thing. Hold on. Alright, now that we're over here, I'll do Minecraft. And if you don't want to do that every time, then just do it. I made a little folder on the side. So I really could have just done this. Then you want to open that .minecraft folder. You want to find. And if you don't have this, make a mods folder. Then see, oh my god, please, just select. As you can tell, I did not prepare for this. Alright, then what you want to do, you want to select these two, drag them in, boom. Then you want to open up Minecraft, and that's probably, yep, that opens up on the other page. Son of a. Well, I guess switching over to the second page. Again, actually, this is my primary one, just that I used the smaller one because why not? Then you want to make a Forge profile. I mean, I don't know, but that's the wrong one. Yeah. Then you want to go all the way down, and yeah, it should be down here somewhere. Yeah, boom, there we go. Now that you have your Forge profile selected and the release of that, then you want to press play. Now we play the waiting game. Sorry for the things in the background. Also, sorry for yelling in the mic if I did. Wow, that took forever. Oh, boom, see? Thing will load into your world. Then, boom, now you're in the game. How am I lagging playing Minecraft? That is just sad. But whatever you're doing, just see. Look, it works now. Well, the game crashed because it hates me. So clearly, the whole thing hates me. Apparently I was lagging too much. Well, because, well, I'm recording. But also, it's the end of the video because that was really it. And, yeah, it crashed. Alright, so bye.